It's 2 a.m. My body is tired. My mind refuses to shut up. One thought becomes 5. 5 becomes 20. None of them are helping. None of them are helping. Did I say something weird earlier? What if I fail? Why can't I just relax? This is overthinking. And if you're watching this, you already know the feeling. Today, we're going inside the mind of an overthinker, and we're going to understand why it happens. Earlier today, a friend didn't laugh at my joke. That's it. That's all it takes. The smaller the moment, the bigger my mind makes it. To your nervous system, they might be mad at me. Feels the same as a predator is near. So my body stays on alert, even when there's nothing to run from. An hour passes. I'm still thinking about a joke that didn't land.
The work I needed to do, untouched.
Now I'm also anxious about being anxious. It stacks.
Overthinking feels like problem solving, but it isn't.
Real problem solving moves toward an answer. Overthinking just moves in circles.
Every version of me in my head is scared of the same thing: being judged.
But none of these versions are real. They're just fear wearing my voice.
So how do we stop the spiral before it stops us? I ask myself one question. Is this thought a fact or a fear? You can't think your way out of overthinking. You have to act your way out. I give myself 10 minutes to worry. Then I choose to move. The spiral only survives on attention. Starve it, and it fades. I remind myself, my friend was probably just tired. Not everything is about me. Getting a thought out of your head and onto paper takes away its power. Most overthinking lives in what if, not what is. I write it down, not to fix it, just to get it out of my head. Most overthinking lives in what if, not what is. I ask myself one question. Is this thought a fact or a fear? The thoughts didn't disappear. I just stopped feeding them. It's still there, but it's smaller now. And I'm still moving. Next time your mind spirals, ask, is this a fact or a fear?
Name the thought. Write it down. Give it a time limit. Then act.
Your mind isn't broken. It's just trying to protect you. A little too hard. Learn to lead your mind instead of following it everywhere it goes. If this helped, subscribe. Subscribe. We figure this out together, one video at a time.